May, I really been focusing on content creation, so my next venture, I feel like I haven't talked to the camera in so long, so I just want to like put y'all on to like what's been going on. As I'm filming this, is actually June 1st, which is crazy. I did skip over my May plan with me, which I did actually film it, and honestly I feel like April I barely accomplished anything, so like the video I wasn't really excited about editing it. We're already in June. This is the last month of Q2. I don't understand where the time goes. I really don't. So I am filming this a little bit late. I know most of the girlies who or YouTubers who film these type of videos, they film it like weeks in advance, but it just doesn't seem natural to me. So I might be a few days behind when I post it, or a week. That's just how I like to do things. I have chocolate cake. If you haven't already, grab a snack or something, a drink. So a few life updates, what's been going on, job updates, job search updates. May, I really been focusing on content creation, so my next venture is to do content creation for brands. Like there's a difference between influencing and content creation. Content creation is where you basically create the content for the brands to post on their own. But I really wanted a way to kind of get back control of my income, because with influencing, it's so unstable, and the content creation can be unstable. Working for yourself is unstable, but at least I have more control off of how much I charge. It's not really based off of how many likes I get and how many followers I have. I just finished my website for content creation. In May, I've been working on building my portfolio. I'm so excited to go on this new career journey. However, I am still looking for like a traditional job, a part-time job specifically, because I have a savings goal that I'm trying to reach, and I don't want all of that pressure to be put on my content creation, freelancing, influencing. It can be very unpredictable, so I do want more stability. I did go to school for digital media management, so content creation, marketing is all in that realm. But like when I think about doing a traditional job, I don't really know what I want to do. My savings goal now, I have a goal to save up to 25K, because I am getting into real estate. Now we're ready to move forward and get our own rental property, investment property. I'm just so excited to get into this journey. So that is why I have a savings goal, and that's why I'm trying to reach that as soon as possible. That's been my goals lately. But let's get into June. We got some work to do, but fun work. So I'm really excited about that. Alright, as always, you know we always start with our May reflection. So what did we do, what didn't we do, and then our little month in review. My career goals in May were to outreach to freelance clients, purchase my portfolio shoot, and apply to part-time jobs. So I definitely applied to some part-time jobs like I was telling you guys earlier. I ended up purchasing my portfolio shoot technically today. Super excited about that. Outreach potential freelance clients, I did not do that, but I finished building my portfolio and building my website for the freelancing, so that's a win. I'm gonna add that in here to make sure I let myself know. And then I have this random extra goal, is to reach out to brands for collabs. I did not do that. I do have a brand that I'm working with. Personal goals was to finish Daring Greatly. Y'all are gonna be so mad at me. Next is to find a content creator group or reach out to meet up with some content creator friends. The next thing was to go on a weekend trip. And I didn't go on a weekend trip this month, but I did go fishing the other day. Fishing and hiking, I guess, so that was nice. Alright, so with this content creator group goal, I've been trying to make new creator friends, guys. Making friends as an adult is probably one of the hardest tasks that I've had to encounter since graduating college. It's really hard. Like, wow. I thought I was good at making friends, but like, so what I've been trying to do is reach out to new people. I've been doing that lately, which is wow. I just stopped trying because I was just like, I'm over it. Hopefully I can meet up with some people that I know that also do content creation. And then my Daring Greatly. Wow. I've been reading this book for what, 3 months now? This is why, this is why I kind of stopped reading in general, especially nonfiction, because it takes me forever to read it. And I don't want to move on to the new book until I finish this one. It's good. I love this book so much. It's changed my life already. So I kind of didn't do none of my personal goals. Some of the habits, no phone after waking up in the morning, I've been doing that pretty good. I would say 50% of the time. Shutting off at 10, horrible. My sleep schedule's been so messed up. So I'm trying to get back on that. Going to walk at least 3 times a week, and no, didn't do that. But I did go to the dentist. And I haven't been to the dentist in 2 years. That's a win, right? Alright, moving on to what I liked or accomplished this month. Well, you guys know I was able to finish my freelance site. I was able to find a photographer and makeup artist to shoot my portfolio. I made an Instagram for freelancing and built up my portfolio. I enjoyed going fishing and hiking the other day. What else did I do? Let me check my calendar. I feel like this month, like May, was really just work related for me. I posted like every week on TikTok. I've been going hard on TikTok, guys. That's why I kind of been MIA on like Instagram and YouTube. But I'm gonna leave it at that for now. What did I learn this month? I feel like this month kind of flew by, like, to be honest. I kind of had a rough start in the beginning of May. A rough 2 weeks. Okay, some things that I learned. I learned about real estate investment calculations, I guess. One of my goals is the real estate investing, so that goes with a lot of research and everything. Alright, I also learned about TikTok strategy. I've been having to learn about how to grow on there. I'm gonna say I learned more about how to do my natural hair again, because I kind of gave up. I feel like I need to learn how to appreciate time with myself more. Like if there's nobody there to make plans with, then make plans with yourself. Do things that you enjoy. If you like to paint, go and paint somewhere. It doesn't always have to be you enjoying yourself only if it's with other people. So that's something that I learned in May. Okay, what did I lack this month? I feel like I could have followed my schedule better. I really struggled with following a schedule. I feel like I am really still trying to find a schedule that works for me. Again, I feel like I lacked like treating myself this month, going to bed early, waking up early. Like I said, my sleep schedule's a mess. And then posting more on YouTube. So bad. I felt horrible with not posting. I don't know what happened. I really don't know what happened. So I am sorry for my lack of posting that I did in May, but thank y'all for sticking around, and thank y'all so much for 5K subscribers. We finally reached 5K, and I thank all of you for sticking with me and still subscribing. Favorite song of the month is It's On in Slow Motion by Amaria. Love those songs so much. I've been listening to them non-stop. I'm gonna play a quick snippet for y'all, quick. Next, favorite TV show and movie. I don't have a favorite movie, but I watched Stranger Things, and I loved it. And then I also watched Jenny and Georgia. I'm also obsessed with that show. These are both on Netflix. Again, favorite book, Daring Greatly, of course, since that's the only book I've been reading. And then favorite memory, I have a few. I bought a new plant. It's over there. I got a Monstera plant, which was kind of expensive. Wasn't expecting that, but I'm so excited to have this plant. I love it so much. I went to Tarrytown or Westchester, I think it was called Sleepy, one of those places. We went out to eat, went by the waterfront. That was a really nice day. And then also, like I said before, going fishing and hiking on Memorial Day was fun too. So those are my favorite memories of May. So let's get into June. Okay, I'm running out of space on my laptop, so I had to like fill everything in first and then talk to you guys about it. Let's start with my June top 3 priorities. So first thing I put is to apply to part-time work, part-time jobs, as you guys know. Definitely something that I'm working on. Next, I put to outreach clients for content creation. So now I'm finally gonna reach out to clients to set up content creation with them. Very nervous about that, but I'm also very excited. Another goal of mine in June is to post on TikTok 5 to 10 times per week. So basically that would be every weekday. And then on YouTube is just to post once a week at least. And then I also put to practice my real estate research, look at houses, and then just practice doing like the numbers. So a lot of research. I'm in research mode right now for that. And then my personal goals is I want to get my hair cut at the salon. Of course, finish Daring Greatly again. This has been a goal for like 3 months. Moving on, I want to see a palm reader or an astrologer. I was going to do this earlier on in the year, but I wasn't able to, so hopefully I can do that. Some habits I want to focus on in June is to wake up between 6 and 7 a.m. It would be a dream to wake up at 5, but just the way I go to sleep. It's not happening right now. Another habit is to eat within the first hour. So I am back to trying to gain weight on my weight gain journey. Next is to work out at least 3 times a week, even if it's just like 20 minutes. Just something to move my body because I've been feeling so lazy. Alright, so we're gonna get into our social media stats and review. Alright, right now I am at 5,015 subscribers. Yay, we reached 5K. Watch time now, I don't even know, to be honest. It's dropping. It's dropping. Alright, so I'm at 11K hours. It's dropping every month. I really don't know. I stopped caring, which is bad. Alright, I had 4,000 views, I believe. Videos posted, I honestly don't know. I feel like it's like 1, which is so bad. I've been so bad at posting this year. Instagram followers, I haven't posted on Instagram either this whole month, so I dropped followers actually. I'm at 1,415. Those who stayed, y'all are real ones. My Instagram has been stagnant lately and I don't care. I really just want to focus on YouTube and TikTok, to be honest. And like I said, I don't even think I posted. Yeah, I didn't post anything. TikTok now is where I've been like spending most of my time. And Pinterest, believe it or not. Follow me on Pinterest. Like, Pinterest has been amazing so far. Anyway, I'm at 2,483 and I'm at 93.1k likes on TikTok right now. Alright, I posted 19 TikToks, I think. Definitely could be more, but I think I did pretty good with TikTok this month. That's the social media stats. As you see here, I have like some goals. I don't really update this. I should probably update it. We reached 5k. I'm gonna say 6k. My goal is 10, but I don't know when that'll happen. I'm gonna say 7k by September. I really don't know. TikTok, I'm gonna say 3k by July. That's so random. I don't know why I picked that date. Instagram, I don't care. I really don't care at this point. Whatever happens on Instagram happens right now. It's not my main focus. Just keep posting my little photos and that's it. Oh, I'm gonna start doing like mini vlogs on Instagram, like little reels and stuff, so maybe that'll grow my page. So definitely follow me on Instagram. I've been talking for like 2 hours. It feels like I am about ready to take a nap. I hope that your Mays went well, that everybody is staying safe, healthy, happy, all of that stuff. Comment down below 3 butterfly emojis if you made it to the end. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications if you are subscribed or if you decide to. And I really hope you guys have a great June, and I will see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.